Okay, moving on to the euro yen now. Big shake up in these yen pairs. Obviously, euro US dollar remaining weak, and then we had a huge down day on the US dollar yen on Thursday, which I think it may actually be sort of public knowledge, but my friend Doug from the New York Stock Exchange is over in Scotland this week, so I had dinner with him on Friday, and he told me that there was actually a big mistake that happened on Friday in the on the New York Stock Exchange. They have this system that they use. Most of the stuff's done manually, but there is systems that they actually use on the trading floor to get into positions and whatnot. And apparently, someone was supposed to sell 4.2 million shares, but they clicked on the 4.2 billion button. So the market actually fell away 1,000 points in 15 minutes, which I'm sure you all know. But turns out this was the whole reason that it happened. It was actually just a mistake by a guy who pushed the wrong button. So this was huge, and the US dollar yen fell off. Just take a quick look, just because I'm talking about it. You can see here we had a high of 93, so basically 94, and a low of 88. So like almost 600 points for the US dollar yen in one day is absolutely crazy. But it turns out that I'm pretty sure this was all on the back of this crazy sell order that was put through 4.2 billion. So a bit of a boo-boo there, I would say. But anyway, we've seen these pairs come off, and I mean it's what the charts were saying anyway. So it just means that we've made some of these targets. So finally, this euro yen has made that 119.26 target, which it came close to making at this point down here. So we've broken through there now, and we're not too far away from that 106.87 target now. Well, 1,000 points now, but at one point we did get as low as 110. So it looks like we're going to have another sort of bear leg here, although we could see some consolidation first. But certainly on the weekly and the monthly now, it's starting to look like we're going to start breaking lower before we find some sort of bottom here. On this weekly chart anyway, I'm hoping that we can get up to the 121.45, and that would provide an ideal selling opportunity now. As I've mentioned for a while now, I've been waiting for this pair to just kind of come to life and break out of the range that it's been into, and so we've seen that now, so hopefully we can get a retracement up towards that 121.45 level and look to sell. But you can see here that the final monthly thrust level did cap the market. We'll see that also in the pound yen as well, which is where the market was sort of capped. So looking for a move up to the 121.45 to sell, and even that 120.70 level. I mean, I think any kind of strength in this pair now has got to be seen as an opportunity to sell, basically across the board here. I mean, we can see this big area here where we found the bottom, and it's right around that 120.70 level where we have this big bearish thrust. So I see any kind of move up around into this range, possibly up to about the 120, 122 level, should provide an ideal opportunity to sell. And I mean that comes in as well, 121.45, 120.70, so that's within sort of 70 points. So anywhere in around this kind of area I would be certainly looking to sell. And we've got a second target there of 106.87 on the daily chart. And I mean the monthly and the weekly charts are kind of off the scale at the moment, so there's no real targets sitting pending on these ones. But certainly on the daily chart we've got that 106, so that could be quite a nice move to catch there. So just keep a close eye on that this week. Okay, cheers.